Ocean Titan, inside the world's largest floating fish processing vessel. Hidden deep within the world's oceans is a behemoth unlike any other, a factory that floats, a ship that never sleeps, and a technological wonder capable of processing hundreds of tons of fish daily. This is the Ocean Titan, the world's largest floating fish processing vessel. Built to withstand extreme weather and operate in some of the most remote oceans, this vessel took over 3 years to design and assemble. With an overall length exceeding 350 feet and a weight rivaling that of a skyscraper, it is one of the most complex ships ever created for commercial fishing. We wanted to create not just a fishing vessel, but a fully operational processing plant, one that could work continuously for months at sea. Inside, miles of conveyor belts transport freshly caught fish to automated filleting lines. Robotic arms cut with precision, ensuring every fillet meets industry standards. Vacuum-sealed packaging lines prepare the final product, which is then frozen in chambers colder than Antarctica. Capable of processing over 500 tons of fish per day, this vessel supplies seafood to markets around the globe, all while never setting foot on land for weeks at a time. But behind the machines are the people who make it all work. A crew of over 150 men and women call this ship home. They work in shifts, ensuring that operations run 24/7, regardless of weather or waves. It's like living in a small city, except the city is always moving, and the nearest land could be hundreds of miles away. Guiding this floating factory is no easy task. Equipped with advanced radar, GPS, and sonar systems, the ship navigates icy waters and treacherous seas in search of fishing grounds rich with life. Every decision made on the bridge affects not only the safety of the crew, but also the efficiency of operations and sustainability of ocean resources. Once processed, the packaged fish is transferred to refrigerated cargo vessels and shipped worldwide, feeding millions from Tokyo to New York, from London to Cape Town. As technology evolves, vessels like the Ocean Titan are becoming more efficient, more sustainable, and better equipped to meet the demands of a growing global population, without depleting the oceans they depend on. Massive, mighty, and built for the deep, the world's largest floating fish processing vessel is not just a ship, but a testament to human ingenuity, feeding the world one catch at a time.